India is an Asian country. It has triangular shape and it is the second most inhabited country in the world. It has coast and mountain where we can find the Himalayan mountain range. The Indian millennial culture is notable in their religions, languages, and traditions. The elephant has a lot of importance in the culture and history of the country. For example, in Jaipur, a festival is celebrated annually where the artists decorate the elephant's skin and dress them with colorful fabrics. Jamini Roy was an Indian painter with a fresh and funny style. The representation of the characters in his artworks is very personal and unique. He used to use terracotta color range combined with some bright colors. The Indian motifs and patterns are very notorious in his paintings. The activity that we will do consists of doing our own version of Jamini Roy's animals. We will draw, decorate, and paint an elephant following the artist's style. The materials that we will use are white card, a pencil, rubber, a black pen, colored pencils, and scissors. First of all, we will observe elephant pictures to see how they look like and how are the decorations and fabrics that they wear. Place your paper horizontal and draw an elephant. You want to draw it big in order to decorate it and paint it easily. Cut it carefully, having in mind that later we need to use the leftover silhouette to do another activity. Once we have drawn and cut the animal, we will proceed to do the decorations and clothes that we have recently seen in the pictures of the Indian elephants. Then, retrace it with the black pen. To finish, paint it with bright colors. It is better if you use colored pencils, but you can use felt tip pens or any other media instead. Now we have our own version of an animal inspired by the art of Jamini Roy.